In this video I will show you how to fix navigation pane not showing in Windows 11. To get started, open up File Explorer on your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar or by pressing Windows +E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look at the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on the View option, which will reveal a drop-down menu with additional settings. From these options displayed under View, hover over or click on Show. Now, locate and click on Navigation pane from this list. And just like that, your navigation pane should now be enabled. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.